First, for the first reaction is Mr. PKD Nambiar. He's a political analyst and somebody who does support the BJP. Now, Mr. Nambiar, let me ask you this. A lot of uproar, literally, not just by ordinary people alone or just the social media, but from elected representatives of Kerala as well as Lakshadweep against certain decisions or drafts that have been in the pipeline by the administrator. How do you see this?
Firstly, there are two aspects to it. It may be the people of Lakshadweep as the way we are portraying, whether it is in the social media or the politicians in the Kerala, is not really the true, and it is not the true sentiments of the people of Lakshadweep. The Lakshadweep, of course, do have its own character and its style, but in the meantime, it is also a strategic location from the point of view of this nation. The government of India is investing a large amount of money and a large amount of projects, which is really redefining the way the people of Lakshadweep is been living. If you really look at the number of ships have been added to the city, to the island. If you really look at the new airport, the development of the airport, if you really know between the closest place that is from Kerala to this thing through the ships, how much time people generally take. The Agatha of the airport is going to be developed at the cost of 240 crore rupees. The central government has already been allocated that fund. When you do, and also it is going to be treated as a smart city. No, 1 second. It's also going to be treated as a smart city. There is a caucus of people, the people who are some of the private resort owners, some of the contracts people. There is a large number of people who are ruling the place, more of like a caucus, now getting the heat of true governance, and they have an issue. Of course, you all can differentiate. Even these plans were put it on, I believe it in March 19th or so, there is through a notification, this draft proposal has been given to the public and to the people representatives to give their feedback. So I believe the Muslim League or the...
I'm coming back. Right, let me just get Mr. Nambiar here. Mr. Nambiar, how do you respond to this?
I think the MP has actually clarified a lot. This is precisely, I also said, if the administration has given a draft notification to get the feedback from the elected people and the public at large, why this hue and cry? And secondly, the problem is not in Lakshadweep. The problem is happening far away in Kerala. All the Muslim League and the CPIM who have been trying to get into the Lakshadweep politics for ages could not even stand there for a minute, now are becoming the savior of Lakshadweep. That is, it's completely a political motivated agenda.
Okay, let me get, since you're mentioning that, Mr. Nambiar.
1 second. No, I wanted to,
Let me get the response from...
No, I'll just tell you, the beef controversy. Where is the beef controversy is coming into this picture at all? There is no, the only thing is that during the school midday meal, the non-veg should not be served because of certain reasons. There is nothing else have been done. Even the great, in fact, what I have been known to, there is another
all right, Mr. Nambiar.
Speculation. No, there is another speculation that the...
Okay, Mr. Nambiar, let me just... but thank you everyone for joining us on this. You've heard some